first grade. Welcome back to Monday Math. And today in math, we're going to be looking at lesson 12, which is find the missing parts of 10. So, boys and girls, we're going to be using counters again today. So make sure you get 10 total counters because that's how many we will need today. 10 total counters. So, boys and girls, for this first question, we're going to look down here and we're going to pick apart this question. So it says, there are 10 frogs in all. Here's our whole. So we have our whole already. Here's our answer. We know that we are going to have 10 frogs. 8 of the frogs are in the pond. All right, I'm going to go get out my blue counters because I know that 8 of those frogs are in the pond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 frogs in the pond. We got rid of, that part of our question. So now let's look at our second part. 8 of the frogs are in the pond. The rest are in the grass. So we already put 8 here. We have to make 10. So that means I'm going to come over here and get my orange counters. And I am going to count up to 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's the other that are in the grass. Now, if we look all together, here's our 8. So we know we have our 8 right here. That's our first part. It's right here in our number sentence. So our second part is going to be over here. And our second part looks like we have 2 counters. 1, 2. So that means our second part must be 2. So I'll come right on over here to my box and I'll write a number 2 in there. Boys and girls, I just have to make sure that I have 10 counters in all as a whole, right? All together, I have 10 counters. Okay, now if we flip the page, we are going to do some practice together. We're going to pick apart our questions and try and find our whole. Well, they gave us our whole already, so now we just have to find our missing part. So in our first question up here, it says the whole is 10. Let's look here. Here's our whole. Is that 10? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we do have 10 counters. They gave us that part. There's our whole. 10. Here's our 10. One part is 3. Okay, here's our 3. We see our 3 here in our first part, and we also see 3 in our whole. So we know that there's our first part, here's our first part. Now we have to find our second part, which is the yellow counters. So boys and girls, we're going to come down here. We're going to count our yellow counters to figure out how many we have in our second part. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So boys and girls, you would lay out 7 yellow counters right here. And that part would equal this whole. So boys and girls, if we look over here, here's our numbers. The whole is 10. There's our whole, 10. One part is 3. There's our 3. What is the other part? And we decided we had 7 yellow counters. So we're going to come up here, we're going to get our pen, and we are going to write a number 7 right there. All right, boys and girls, here is our answer. They gave it to us. A 7 right there. So now let's look down here. It says use work mat 3 and counters. So you need your part whole mat for this work. It says find the missing part of 10. Write the number. So boys and girls, let's look down at our whole first. We already have our whole. We know we're finding the missing part of 10 here. We're finding the missing part. So for all of our answers, here and here and here, it's all going to be 10. So we know we have our 10 counters out. Our first part is, what is it? It's 4. If we look down here, here's our first part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go up here. We're trying to find our second part, which is our yellow counters. We'll come down here and we'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 there. And all together, boys and girls, we have 10. So we know 4 plus goes in our box, equals 10. All right, now let's look at our next one. Here, down here again, we have our whole, which is 10. And this time they gave us our yellow counters. For our yellow counters, it says we have 5. Now, if we look down in our number sentence, there's our 5, which is our second part. Now, this time we are finding our red counters, which is our first part. They took our first part out. So we are missing red counters. Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we have 5 up here. So if I write 5 on this line, I have to come down here and I have to write 5 in my first part because that is what we were missing. So, boys and girls, 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now, your job is going to be to do this page on your own, page 82, and then you get to skip to the next page and do page 83. Here you'll need your own counters because they only gave you your whole without the picture. So you either get to draw your own picture or use counters to help find your missing part of 10. So you will do page 82, page 83, and page 84. And after that, boys and girls, we will move on to a new chapter, actually. It was good seeing you today, and I will talk to you later. See you later.